Here we are on a beautiful Sunday morning at the beach. Winter, January, but a nice warm day. I just gotta warn you that you guys been recording right now, and anything that you said, it'll be recorded on that device. This is Jason, and that's Miguel, and he's changing the lines right now on the Dudek Universal, and we're waiting for the wind to change from the west or southwest, but somebody already have flying, so I'm gonna be recording some cool footage, and this is vlog number one.
Vlog number one.
If we wanted to take off that way. Finally, I got to get up. Yeah, great day. That's gonna try to keep west. Not much going on today. The beach is very empty, surprisingly. Passing by right now. That is around me. We all came to fly today because there's really not a lot of break on the weather at this time of the year for us. was a good one.
Did you get that, motherfucker?
That was a good one.
Did you get that in camera?
Oh, yeah, sure I did. That was good. You pulled my teeth up. That was great. That was super good. Like so. Yeah. Woo, turn it around. Go back up. No, I didn't. It's no wind to fucking reverse it. It would have been nice.